Step-by-step instructions. Let's make sure you have all the necessary components. ESP32 C3 controller. Microwave radar module with wires. USB connectors. LED strip cable, included with the LED strip. Power cable. Body, you can order a printed one or make it yourself. Print files are in the print folder. Programming the microcontroller, install Visual Studio Code on your computer. The link will be in the video description. After installation, open the program and click on the icon. In the search bar, type Latform IDE and click Install. Create a new project, give it a name, then select the board. Show SP32C3. The firmware files are located in the code folder. The main program version is in the main folder and is used in all devices. There is also a special version for Home Assistant. Transfer the selected code to your new project. From the main file, transfer the code to the main file, and from the platform file to the corresponding file in the program. Connect the cable to the microcontroller and press the right button. If errors occur, this happens. Don't worry. Just press the right button on the board while holding it, then press the second button, not simultaneously, but in sequence. Without releasing the buttons, start the recording again, and then release the buttons. Connecting everything together. Take the additional cable from the LED strip package and strip the wire ends by 3 to 4 millimeters. Prepare 2 thin wires 4 to 5 centimeters long and connect them. You can use leftover wires from the radar module. Connect the wires by color, red to red, black to white, twisting the ends together. Solder the wires to the USB connectors, red wire to V and black to G on the board. Be sure to check the reliability of the connection by gently pulling on the wires. A poor contact can lead to incorrect operation. Leave the green wire free for now. We'll solder it to the microcontroller later. For the radar module, measure about 5 centimeters of wires, cut off any excess, and strip the ends. The center wire can be removed completely. It's not used in the circuit. Note: the colors of the radar module wires may confuse you. Black and red here do not indicate minus and plus, but TX and RX, so carefully follow the diagram. Place the wires on the microcontroller according to the diagram and bend the ends for fixation before soldering. Solder the green cable to the second pin Connect the mini USB to the microcontroller. I recommend using heat insulation tape to protect the board from heating, as heat can affect the operation of the radar. This is not required, but it's better this way. Final touches. Carefully place all components in the case and close the lid. Connect the power, then the LED strip. During the first power-up, the device may take 3 to 5 seconds to load, after which you will see the light begin to move along the LED strip. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You can use glue for the final securing of components. Installation Guide for LightTrack Pro. I'll demonstrate using a staircase with 2 flights as an example. I'll be testing it on the office staircase. I installed modules at a height of about 1 meter, 1 for each flight. The modules are mounted at an angle to the stairs using the brackets included in the kit. It's important to position the strip so it shines down on the steps. Here I've positioned it this way as an example. During testing, everything works smoothly. But you can use another connection scheme. Place the modules on the walls at the beginning of the stairs. There is a distance of 2 meters between the module and the light strip. I used an extension cable so the lighting could be placed directly on the staircase. To compensate for this distance, I configured a beam offset of 2 meters in the program. After adjustment, the system works excellently. Program settings first, you need to connect to the device via Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi on your phone and find the LightTrack network. As you can see, there are 2 here because there are currently 2 active devices, distinguished by their last digits. Click Connect and enter the password. The first connection may take several minutes. After connecting, go to your browser and enter the IP address 192.168.4.22 in the address bar. A settings page will open. At the top, the circle represents the color settings for the LED strip light. As you can see, the palette is large, and you can choose any shade. Light intensity adjustment. Next, we select how many LEDs will light up. You can choose from 1 to 300. This setting is for additional LEDs that will determine your direction and illuminate the path only in front of you. Here's how it works. This is the offset setting I showed earlier. It compensates for distance if you're using an extension cable. LED operation time, how long it will continue to shine after you leave the staircase. Time ranges from 1 to 60 seconds. Night light setting. When enabled, light across the entire strip will shine constantly at minimum power, and when the radar detects you, the light will illuminate the path. Here's how it works. Setting the operation time. From when to when the device will work. I have it set from 8 p.m. when it starts getting dark until 8 a.m. It's also worth noting that the device's operation time may reset if you disconnect the device's power. If this happens, you need to reconnect, and LightTrack will get the time from your phone upon connection and operate according to it.